Look at the bird. Look, the bird's chirping. Remember? Oh, look, the birds are chirping. See the bird on top of the barbecue thing? By the way, this is not mine. This barbecue thing is not mine. But look, the reason why I was recording this is because the bird was coming next to me. But then I had difficulties pulling up the camera that fast. Holy. Wait, let me see if I can go. Cause I don't wanna, like, you know. Look at the bird. I wanna try to get this on. Look at my meditative walk. Wait. Where'd it go? It went in there. Let me see if I can go around. Yeah, it's hiding in the bushes. But you gotta admit that was pretty sick, come on. There it is. The bird again. Look, it's coming my direction. Holy, look at the bird. Look at the bird. Look. Look. It came out of the bush. Look, wait. Look at the bird. Look at the bird. Look at my aura. Look, it's coming. Did you see that? Look. You see how, like, the bird's coming around my field because of my aura? No? What bird does that to you? Come on. Birds are never around you like that. Holy. Look at the bird in the bush. Look, it's coming out again. Look. It's around my area because, like, it's safe. No? Look at the birds are... You look at the bird! Holy. Look at the birds chirping! Look at it! Look! Holy. You gotta admit this is sick. Come on camera. No? Look at the bird! Look, it's like around my field. You know those type of things? Holy, it feels more safe around me than anybody out there. No? Holy. You gotta admit that was sick though, come on. That was pretty... Wait, I think it's gonna come out again. But I can't point up to the, to the roof like that because this is like somebody's, like, you know what I'm talking about? This is not my house. Holy, I don't want to look, I don't want to, like, you know what I'm saying, right? But you gotta admit that's sick, no? Focus. Holy, when is animals gonna go around your field? Nah? Like, they never go around your field because, like, you're so low vibrational and, like, negative. Holy, like, it's like I'm so high vibrational that animals come around me like I'm sleeping or something. You know what I'm talking about? It's like the same sense. Like, wow, the third eye opening is like the sleep world. Nah? Holy, that is like the sleep world because the fourth dimension is the mind type of thing. Oh, that's fucking sick. Come on. Now I'm about to shut this off.